Medical surgeons are terrified with this recipe that removes wrinkled and flaccid skin. It is impossible that with the passage of time our body does not show wrinkles or sagging. While it is true that there are a lot of products from the cosmetic industry, these are no longer as popular among people, and little by little natural remedies gain ground. So we put our grain of sand and will give you the recipe to eliminate wrinkles and sagging that is terrorizing medical surgeons. This natural mask is an ideal remedy against the passage of time as it nourishes in depth and favors the production of collagen. Ingredients can be easily obtained, so read on to find out how to do it. The mask to eliminate wrinkles and sagging only requires 3 ingredients that are very easy to get and are very economical. A few days after you start applying it, you will begin to notice the changes. As an extra, this mask will help you have healthier, nourished and shiny skin. Next we will tell you what you will need. Ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, a spoonful of pure honey, 2 tablespoons of powdered clay. Preparation method: peel and chop the garlic cloves, as small as you can. Then grind them in a mortar. On the other hand, heat the honey a bit to soften it. Mix the 3 ingredients until a homogeneous paste is formed. Must have the consistency of a cream. If you notice it needs more moisture, add a few drops of olive oil or almonds. It mixes very well. Instructions: in the first place, it will be necessary to have a clean face. Wash your face very well with plenty of warm water and mild soap. Dry with a cloth, tapping. Never rub the skin of the face. Another recommendation before applying the mask is that you perform a quick exfoliation. The exfoliation will allow the dead skin cells to be detached, the pores cleaned and released. In this way, your skin is prepared to absorb the nutrients. For a natural exfoliation, you should only mix 2 parts of oats with 1 of natural yogurt. Spread the mixture all over your face with your fingers, through circular motions. Repeat for at least 2 minutes. Then remove with warm water. Dry without rubbing. To finish, apply the mask that we made all over the face, before going to sleep. Also in the neck. Leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse with plenty of warm water.